Hello everyone, I'm Shubham, and I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, we'll walk through the process of creating a user attribute based on an event right here in PLG OS. Our journey begins from the main dashboard. From there, you will navigate to Track and Measurements and click on the User Attributes tab, and then click the Add User Attribute button. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to select an attribute type. For this video, we'll choose the event-based attribute option and click Start Creating. Now you will fill in the details for your new user attribute. Give your attribute a title, a unique attribute ID. In the user attribute description, you can add a brief explanation of the attribute's purpose. Next, you will define the event details. Select the relevant event from the drop-down menu and then select the specific event property you want to track. Finally, under Data Details, you can set a default value if needed. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click Save and Publish, and that's it. A notification will appear confirming that your user attribute has been created successfully. You can now see your new attribute, Last Purchase Items, listed and active on your User Attributes dashboard. By following these steps, you can create event-based user attributes to enrich your user data and personalize your campaigns. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to provide feedback so we can continue to improve your PLG OS journey.